All right, Smart Money Gang, welcome back to the channel, man. You already know, man, it's your boy SMSFX Mentors, right? Ken, you feel me? So you already know I'm here with a banger. I'm about to drop a banger for you guys today, and I already know why you clicked on the video, right? You want to get into this US30, right? You want to get into this US30, right? Q Bank's strategy, right? So I'm fin to give you guys that, okay? Like I told you guys, man, we can give you 100% winning rate, guys, 90% winning rate, guys. Uh, if you don't understand, what makes the market move, if you don't understand volatility, exhaustion, support, resistance, the basic stuff, right? Then look, guys, go practice on forex. Go practice on main pairs, right? Get those main pairs down pat. Get one pair down pat, right? Do not run and rush to go to indices, guys, or index pairs or futures, right? Something sexy like that, because even though it's more money there, guys, listen, forex is not a get rich scheme, get rich the fastest, get rich the quickest, right? We want to actually understand. We want to actually understand the craft of this, man, the art of this, man. We want to understand what is actually going on, guys. So that private mentorship, that reaching out to try to get that extra, hey, what is it that they got that you don't have, right? Which you have the knowledge, you know how to do, you know how to use the knowledge, you know how to implement the knowledge, right? But now all of a sudden you just don't understand how to actually compound the account, how to actually grow, how to actually make money, right? Because we don't know and understand the value of a dollar, guys. And that's just real, right? So we got to unlearn to relearn, right? And that takes time. That's the process, guys. You only in a battle with yourself, because you're going to make yourself believe everything that you're saying. Oh, the market is against me. Oh, the broker did this. Then you're going to go see other videos of people agreeing with you, right? Then guys, you see those same people, they never make those type of videos no more, because they done figured it out, guys. Listen, it's not hard. Forex could be for you, but you have to put in the work, right? Even if I give you everything that I know, what if you don't still had a lack of putting in the work, right? It's all depending on who you are, right? So at the end of the day, guys, I want that private mentorship, man. www.smsfxmentors.com, guys. And look, this is not an investment in me. This is an investment into yourself, guys. You're going to invest into the knowledge to actually be able to do whatever you please. So when you get into when you come to me, for sure, you're going to understand the markets, the ins and outs of the markets, and you're going to for sure be profitable, because I'm going to give you the same exact methodology and psychology that's in my mind. I'm going to transfer it to you, and I know I can, guys. I know I can, right? So basically right now, I'm about to just take you and show you guys, look, I am verified, guys. My website is verified and all of that, guys. So I'm gonna take you through that. I'm gonna show you guys that I'm not trying to do nothing crazy or nothing like that. I offer so much free knowledge, guys. That's why I index my account. I index YouTube to show you guys something new, right? Hopefully bringing something to the table that you can look, hey, sit down with your family, bring it to them, bring it to the table, and you guys go ahead and do what you need to do, right? You can pass this down generation to generation, guys. So I'm not here to preach, right? And I'm not a financial advisor. So that's just a small FYI. I do offer mentorship, though, to get you guys to that next level, that extra, whatever you've been missing. Hey, it's time to take it serious now. Okay, look, I need to understand this, because, okay, I do want to trade. I do want to be a day trader, but I'm lacking at this. I need guidance and help on this. I need a proper setup. I need risk management. I need a risk to reward ratio. I'm tired of scalping. When you're trying to become a real trader, guys, we go through everything, every emotion, we all do. But we have to learn how to take that out and use this like, hey, this is a business. This is my business. I'm up from this time to this time. I'm gonna trade from this time to this time. We need that extra guidance, right? You need someone to hold you accountable sometimes, right? So this investment is investment in you, right? I understand these markets. I understand what I need to do to help provide and better my family. All I'm here to do is just, hey, look, we're gonna take what you got. We're gonna find your weaknesses, right? And then we're gonna mold those up, make those strengths, right? We're gonna turn the strengths up, and then what you already strong in, you know what I'm saying? That it's gonna all make sense, right? So this is an investment in you, and guys, you got to do it, man. So I'm about to share the screen, and then we're gonna go right here. So we're gonna type in SMSFX Mentor, right? Then we're gonna hit enter, right? So as you see me hit enter, so this is what pops on the screen. As you see, verify, right? My business this month, 118 views. We got blue check here, verified. You got SMSFXMentors.com. You have the website. You have all the products that I do offer. You have a phone number for customer service. And so look, you got the elite package where we teach what they will call IML or IM Academy, somewhere where you have to pay a monthly fee, and recruit people and things of that nature. Whereas to me, I only have a one-time fee, which is $199.99. So look, guys, I'm not saying you have to come to me, but look, go seek mentor from someone you feel that could actually take you to that next step. All right. So then we got workshops, right? So we can actually set up a workshop. They starting off from $29.99 to $49.99, depending on, and then for the elite, I'm sorry, guys. So I teach what they will call HFX. Will call HFX. It is basically binary options, guys. So I can teach you how to make money in minutes, if you want to call it that. Basically how to do a call, a put, right? It's just option trading, right? It's on Robinhood, it's on Trade Station, Think or Swim, right? These are different brokers, okay? So it's not a specific thing. High frequency forex is just binary options, all right? So we got workshops, right? That can do both of that, teach you both of that. Then we got just regular day trading, right? Where you get the VIP signals, mentors, one-on-ones with me, and price will go up on that, right? And then, guys, what you're sleeping on is the OnlyFans segment, right? The OnlyFans session. So we got an OnlyFans for $29.99 all the way to $49.99, depending on what you're trying to learn, guys. The stock market and things of that nature, you can get that same service here. But the OnlyFans, guys, is where I'm about to start doing the indicing. So this is where I'm about to, well, let me just say, hey, if you get the $199.99 right now at that price, the lifetime one-time payment, it's no. Everything right here is one-time payment. The $399.99 one-time payment. The $29.99, $49.99 for the workshop is is you know, one-time payment, right? And you get the video for forever, right? And then we got the $199.99 lifetime. It's this price for a limited time though, guys. So you better take advantage of it now, right? You get everything, right? So you'll be able to get the index videos and all that and analysis every day. And then, but the OnlyFans, man, that's where I'm about to start doing US30, NAS 100, and things of that nature. Gold, right? That's where we're gonna start doing markups at over there, right? So basically the $29.99 package or the $49.99, depending on where you're coming from and you already doing this, that'll be monthly on OnlyFans, right? Because I know you guys already know all this basic stuff, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. I'm gonna send, I'm gonna give you a couple signals for the week, my overall, bias. Then I'll give you a couple trading ideas, right? And then we also just gonna do basically index, right? So that's that real money, right? So now, like I said, before we want to jump into this real money, we want to make sure we seek out the proper knowledge, right? Because it's a good and a bad thing when you trade in indices, right? So the good part is if you're on the right side of the market, you're going to win lots of money, right? And a little amount of money to do so, right? But the bad part about that is that you'll be on the wrong side of the market and you can actually blow your whole entire account, guys. So we're gonna go check out the website. Now we're gonna go click over here. We're gonna go over the website. So for you newbies, right? So look, like, share, subscribe, right? If you made it this far, like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you. Welcome to the channel, right? But you need to go over here to my website, SMSFXMentors.com. And you need to go over here and you need to check out everything that you need to know about forex, right? So we got know the major currency pairs, we got know the spreads, we got get the support of a reputed broker, we got interest rates drive currency value, we got the economic and geopolitical events affect the forex market, how they affect the forex market. We got leverage trading, multiples, both profit and loss. We got defined specific trading plan. As you see, no technical and fundamental analysis. We have emotions can affect trade results, right? We got risk management tools, right? So then we also have like the broker I use, right? We got free money daily, so things that you can do on the side to make extra money. We got a Coinbase link to where you can actually link up your Coinbase for your Bitcoin so that you can be able to do transactions throughout your broker, right? Also, it's a referral link, so you can actually click on this link and actually get something. So you can actually get something for clicking on this link. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and click on the link so you can see what's going on. But we got private mentorship, we got free mentorship. So you need to go ahead over there and join that ASAP, right? So if you can get sentiment value, right? You need to get sentimental analysis, guys, from everywhere. Anybody got a free mentorship, you should always join it because you can get sentimental value, guys. So we got the merch, we got the whole story. You can go check that out if you want some SMSFX merch, and you want to rock with the squad, then that is dope, man. The YouTube channel, which is tons of free information, right? Different strategies of all your favorites, right? We got Linktree. You already know Linktree. You can go over there, tap in on Linktree, and you already know, man. Go over there and tap on Linktree and see what we got to offer over there. I'm not going to say nothing, right? Then we got the free Discord, right? So you need to go over there to the free Discord. It's tons of free gifts in there, free stuff, man, free knowledge. Definitely, if you like patterns and things of that nature, and you don't have time for Google all the time, you can actually download the Discord. You'll get live updates, analyze charts, things of that nature, trading ideas, man. We have sentiment value in there, analysis, fundamentals, so you be aware of when the FOMC is coming out, all different type of cool NFP, everything that's crazy that's be going on. We got a lot of free stuff, like tons of free stuff over there, guys. So I will go check that out. We got FaceTime phone calls, guys, right here. If we do one-on-one mentorship, you might be already trading, you might be already with a squad, I don't know. You might have a lot of questions, right? So we can actually get on a FaceTime, a one-on-one call, and actually FaceTime, and then I can actually help you hands-on on whatever you're trying to do, right? Zoom, whatever you want to do it, however you want to do it. But you can set up that actual one-on-one, guys. And then you let me know what it's for, and then we'll set that up, and then we go in there and chop it up, right? So then after that, we got the shop Amazon, so you can go over there, get your groceries, fast delivery, man. Anything that you might need on hand. Listen, we got the Nike, we got the Crocs, we got it all, man. So go ahead over there and check it out, get involved, man. We even got Nike on there, if I ain't said that. All right, so and Crocs, if I ain't said that. I know I said that, but you know what I'm saying. Get on over there and check it out, right? We have everything lined up. Any type of gadgets, man. You need a phone case, batteries, chargers, whatever. We got you. Anything to maybe start up your little recording and things like that, from ring lights all the way down to cameras and stuff like that, guys. Yes, we got it right there. Go shop Amazon with us. So then we got the OnlyFans. So go ahead over there, click on the OnlyFans link. Come on, join the OnlyFans link. You about to get the Q Banks US30 full breakdown, guys. You about to get the full breakdown of the Q Banks. You know what I'm saying? US30. So this is why I'm just taking this little time to do some little free advertisement for myself, man. So go over there to SMSFXMentors.com, and then you know what to do, right? So then we got the green light kids credit, right? So if you're a kid and you just somehow got bumped into this, tell your mom, look, your future is serious, man. You want to make sure your future is secure, right? You want security, guys, when you get older. Before you turn 18, you want to have some type of security. So actually, even if you wanted to be like, hey, your mom give you extra money or whatever, say, hey, look, mom, buy me this green light kids credit card and stuff like that. And hey, this YouTuber that actually teach stuff, he don't just be on there doing anything. He do have entertainment videos, but he's on here actually teaching us how to better our future, mom. So hey, you know what? Check this out. Go sign up for the green light kids. And guess what? You get a free $10, guys. So if your mom sign you up, you get a free $10. Mamas, parents, dads, granddads, aunties, uncles, yes, they will get free $10 once you sign them up. And it teaches them stock, it teaches them responsibilities, it actually teaches them how to be an adult, man, a adult that actually knows about the finance world, to actually knows about credit and things of that nature. Right. Then we got self credit builder, guys. So this self credit builder, man, I'm not getting no promo for none of this, guys. Literally, man, I have risen my credit score up. Like sometimes it'd be crazy and amazing because I still had a little debt on there, but you feel me? I'll be chopping it down, right? We be chopping it down. That's the goal, right? We trying to pay back these debts, get this freedom, right? You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're trying to do, right? So we're trying to always better ourselves. So we got the self-credit builder right here, right? And like I said, my score has been constantly going up. If you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, anything like that, I'm constantly putting it on there, and I'm constantly thanking God, right? So check it out, guys. Then right here, you got the Robinhood free stock, right? From me, it's your boy, right? And when you click on there, you're gonna see, you're gonna see, right? We're gonna let you pick what kind of stock you want. No, it's gonna be like a mystery wheel, but once you push it, you're gonna get free stock, guys. So go ahead and click that link and get free stock. And it's from me, man, because that's love, right? So join the Facebook groups. We got the Facebook group SMS Strategies on Facebook. So we got the group there for sentiment value. We're going to drop all type of analyze charts and things like that. So go ahead over there and get that hype for me. I'm gonna keep it going, right? I'm gonna drop some jewels, some gems. We're gonna drop some signals every now and again. So you're best to be on there, right? Even Instagram. Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram because I'm always giving out free game, always giving out free signals, once, what I'm saying? So I always give y'all some, hey, like they say, give a dog a bone. So I'm always give you a bone on there, man. Twitter, the same thing, right? So go ahead over there, check me out on Twitter. I'm always throwing some heat on there, some knowledge. So that's what I'm about, man. I feel like, give it back, give to the universe, right? And the universe to give back. So just go ahead over there, check it out for me, and let me know if that's something you want to be a part of, right? Join the pack, join the gang, right? We a squad. You feel me? We're gonna all get to that point, right? We're gonna all get to the top. Same thing with my LinkedIn. Go ahead over there on my LinkedIn, show that you support me, right? Like up everything, man. Go show some love. And highly appreciate it for that, just for showing love. I'm gonna always drop gems and jewels for you guys, right? I know this took up a lot of time, but I know y'all really want to know the strategy, and the strategy is gonna be lit. So you know how I go. But we got free money right here. So you can go ahead and check this out, man. Free money, and you'll see exactly what I mean by that, right? Because if you click on it and you sign up, you're gonna get free money, right? I'm gonna get free money, and we're gonna be, what I'm saying? That's why I got free money right there. Then we got free risk management, guys. So, like I said, I'm always giving back. This is my number one gift, though. This is my number one gift. Free risk management. Do you hear how that sound? A lot of you guys are searching for risk management. I need risk management. I need better risk management. Well, here you go. For free, I'm going to give you a pip calculator that you can actually go on there and put your account size, put how much you want to risk, put what pairs you trade, etc. And stop losses to take profits. They're going to tell you exactly what lot size you should use, just like your coach would, right? So if I was your coach and you was like, hey, I'm looking to take this number down to this number, that number to that number, and I'm like, okay, boom, you got your entry and your exit point, you feel me? And you just like, man, I need that risk management. How much should I use? How much should I risk for the day? Why blase split? You can go over here and click on this risk-free management, and yeah, it'll do it for you guys. So it'll calculate and do all the hard work. It already know which period it is. It already know how to count the pips. It already understands everything for you. All you got to do is type the numbers in and watch the magic happen. Then you can download the app and you can have it for free. It's gonna be on your phone for forever, right? My gift to you. Somebody gave it to me. I passed it down to you. All right. So then next, man, when you click, you're gonna go on the OnlyFans, man. So y'all really slipping on the OnlyFans, man. When I had the free 30 days, man. I had a lot of fans, man, but they, a few dropped, but it's cool. Y'all slipping on it. Y'all tripping on it, man. Listen, it's only $29.99 a month, right? A monthly subscription. And I know you guys be on here doing it because you guys be giving it to females. That's just showing you their bodies. That's crazy to me, right? If I'm showing you a way to actually make some money, learn something. But hey, look, I ain't gonna fight or argue with you guys, man. Listen, you come on here, man. You get the knowledge, man. We dropping nothing but knowledge, heat, and bangers, right? We even putting you hip on trades, bro. Like look at this trade. Look at this trade right here. Boom. Right. And then look at the ending, right? So we putting you up on trades, man. Look at when I really told them about it, right? Look, all right, see how I broke, boom, boom, right? So we come here, right? NZD, look at the setup, boom. Look at the entries, boom. Look at how I ended, right? And I can show you better trades than that, right? I know you're like, oh, what is that? Whoop. All right, we'll go right here then. Look, TP, first TP smash, second TP smash. First TP right here smash, second TP right here smash, right? And then I'm gonna show you the call up before that, right? So now here go Ethereum USD. We talk sexy over here. That's what I'm saying. We do Bitcoin, we do it all, man. So look. Y'all already see Ethereum, we already had that big push up. You know what I'm saying? We had Bitcoin. We already I put people on Bitcoin since down here, man. On OnlyFans. So you guys, man, look at these trades, man. They be busting, man. Look at these trades, bro. They be busting. That was the entry point, and then boom, look how they be busting, bro. So and then I show them that, hey, look, I'm jumping in the trade live with you guys. So you know what I'm saying? Hey, look, y'all want to miss out on it, then that's on y'all, man. But hey, I'm just showing the people that don't want to miss out on it what's going on. So now, if you made it this far, clap it up. Clap it up because you're the truth. And guess what? Now you finna get the Q Banks. You about to get the Q Banks whole setup, his whole strategy, right? His whole strategy, right? So basically, man, um, your boy Q Banks basically like key levels, psychological levels. All right. He actually definitely pay attention to structure. So he always watching structure, right? So by that being said, basically his strategy is, you know, um, um, structure, trend. So he basically follows the trend, right? So we know higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower. So structure, trend, and key levels, right? So if you understand that, and he do a lot of patterns, guys. So you gotta love patterns if you want to be doing the Q Banks strategy, right? So right, basically, it's what works for you guys. It's your art. It's your work of art. You put in the work, you're gonna get the gold. Okay. Um, so basically his setups be, just by that. Like so you see as you see these numbers right here, like this 34,200 level, you see this 35,000 level, right? Um, um, you know, basically what I get from it, you just mark off, your key levels. You definitely mark off any patterns or shapes that you see, right? Um, and then after that, once you get, your overall direction, you know, as far as key levels, whether highs or lows, right? Whatever time frame that you're trading in, um, you mark these levels off, right? So you can see this 35,200 level, let's just say on a 4 hour, we mark it off. And this is his full breakdown, his methodology and psychology. This is a strategy, right? And then we can say we get this lowest point, 34,800, right? So, all right, no matter what time frame that you're on, you go see this, you mark off these levels of structure, and then you zoom down. So I see that in most of his videos, uh, you know, he scaled down from the 1 hour, right? And then actually scaled down to the 5 minute. All right. So from the 1 hour, you're marking just from your highs and your low, right? So you're finding that structure. And then you're paying attention to candles, right? And the patterns, right? So you're paying attention to candles and the patterns, that price is making. So you actually understand that, okay, price haven't got to this 35,200 for, some hours. It ain't been here for, you know, um years, right? Or since, May, it ain't been up, So this is the newest high of it. This is the newest height of this pair. So basically, this guy, man, he only traded this pair. He already understand this pair. He know this pair, so he's understanding what levels, key levels, price is getting to. So when price gets to certain levels, just looking at pure structure, exhaustion. So another thing talks about is exhaustion. Okay, so this trend pushing up, pushing up. Is it exhausted? Is it going to make it to this 35,200 level? It's going to find an extra push, um, and things of that nature, right? So once we find these highs and we find these lows and areas of structure, we just look for, rejections. We look for rejections, exhaustion, etc., right? Things of that nature. So, sell zone. We could put a sell zone here. Um, we could put a buy zone here, down here, right? Um, we can say all right, price failed to get to a certain point. We can start looking for different structures, right? So we need lower highs, lower highs. So really, US30 just moved pretty. So what this man does is he'll scale down to the 5 minute, right? And then we can mark off these same levels, right? We can mark off these same levels. Okay, so this is the low still. We understand that. And then this is the highest point still, right? So we understand that, okay? Um, more than likely, we mark off our lowest point, all right? Mark off our lowest point, and then we'll mark off our highest point. And this is basically what he does. Now he marks off his highest point, lowest point, right? And it's sort of almost like a breakout kind of strategy, guy, right? It's almost still just sort of like a breakout strategy, right? So we here with it, right? So we know, okay, if price is gonna get to this 35,200, then it's gonna break here and it's gonna keep going up to the top. But if it's not gonna get to this 35,200, it's gonna start making lower highs. So price is making lower highs right now, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And what we do is we wait for rejection. So one rejection, maybe two rejections, maybe three rejections, right? And then a fall. Or we wait for one rejection, two rejection, breakout, right? And a retrace, and then a push to the upside, right? So you know, we're in this 5 minute time frame. We already have our lowest point mark. Um, we got our lowest point mark, and I'm sorry I ain't, turn this blue. So we'll turn that blue. And then we'll turn this blue. All right, so we'll turn this zone blue. All right, and what we'll wait for, guys, is multiple touches. Touch here, failure to touch here or something, and then we'll take it down to the downside. First trouble area will be here. Next trouble area will be here. Right, and then etc. Next trouble area will be down here. So, all right. So it's simple. We look for structure. You know what I'm saying? We go to the 4 hour. We see our highs and lows. All right, we see what the 4 hour looking like. You see we made a new high right here. We're starting to get, hammer, 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 or, inverted hammer, hammer. But we got a lot of nice little bullish momentum. But are we gaining exhaustion? And if we are gaining exhaustion, where are we gaining exhaustion at? Right? So you see, like I said, this level right here, we a little bit above this level, this 35,100 level. So we can mark that. So we know we passed this 35,100 level, right? Which is the 4 hour high of the day. So we know we passed that level. So we find what next level we want to get to, 35,200. So boom, we'll wait. So we can even do this. But boom, we'll wait. And we want to see, hey, what level is this next level going to, right? So we know we might be going to this 35,200 level, right? And then the next high could only be this 36,000 level. So we need to see if we're gonna get a rejection at this 35,200 level, or is price gonna break this 35,200 level, or what? So now we scale back down to the 5 minute. And we see a lot of bullish momentum. We already see that we done broke here. We done broke this last high. So where we going? To this 52,200. And since it moves so pretty, you know what I'm saying? You finna see it go before your eyes, guys. Right? The market has just like closed or reopened back up. So you see the breaker here. You see this candle starting to push, 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 push. And then we're gonna have, probably a take profit at this 35,200 level. All right. We put our low. We put our stop losses behind this last low, and that's where we try to take it to. Or first take profit. Second take profit. Is up here. Next target. And of course we had way too many people get in, so now we got to push, 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 push. You know how US30 work. You know what I'm saying? So if we get a failure to break this area right here, then you'll see price come back down. But as long as price is above your EMAs, first take profit, second take profit, guys. You know what I'm saying? So much bullish, there's so much bullish power in the market right here. at this level. Price pushed up. So many buyers stepped in right here. So we need a crack of this 35,200, and we'll go to this next level. So if you don't feel safe about this one, you want to see how I play out, and wait till it push up here. Wait, and we get in from here to this point, right, guys? So you know, but we are waiters. We wait to see certain reactions that's gonna happen around up in this area, and then boom, we take our trade, guys. All right, so we see, okay, we had came here, rejection once, twice, price shot up, boom, pull back here, price shot up. We see this right here. Hopefully we get a rejection. If not, we get a rejection down here somewhere, push up to the upside. All right, so SMSFX mentors, this is how basically he and then we get up here and price start acting funny, making lower high, and that's how he would catch those bigger moves to the downside. All right, so it's nothing really special. Once you get these areas marked off, boom, 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 then you understand, okay, from this point to this point, if we find any type of resistance, then we will get out. Or if this one is resistance and this is a big rejection, we'll wait and see how this closes. You know what I'm saying? We'll wait and see how this candle closes. If it closes under here, but it fails to make a lower low, then we know, okay, we're gonna get that push up to the upside. But if it breaks here and keep going down to the downside, then we would know, okay, wait, this is a lost trade, right? So, we're seeing the rejection down to this side, so we can see price still boom, 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 boom. All right, so you already know what it is, man. I'm gonna always drop some jewels on you guys. All you have to do is break it down, man. Just break it down. Your higher, your lows, and your higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, resistant areas, support areas, and then base trades off probability. All right, SMSFXMentors.com, man. Come check it out, man. If y'all want that deep mentorship and y'all really want to learn how to actually understand how these markets move and why they move, then you already know what to do, man. SMSFXMentors.com. Come join the squad, man. I'm gonna put y'all up on game. I'm gonna put y'all hip, man. So what y'all need to really know, man. But in other words, I'm about to get that push, man. But y'all already know what it is, man. Let's get it. First to do it. Let's go. Dang.